Hi, my name is Melanie and I'm an onboarding customer success manager here at Sprout Social. Today, I'll walk you through how you can find metric definitions and other resources about the Sprout reports. Whether you're analyzing any of Sprout's pre-built reports or a custom report that you've built using Sprout's Report Builder, you'll always have an easy way to better understand your data. You can hover your mouse over many of the metric names and figures to get insight around what gets included in that metric, such as which networks this is available for, whether that figure includes organic and paid, and other details. For percentages, we'll also show you how we arrived at that number. You can also click on this Learn More link to access additional report resources. The link to reporting resources also lives here in your Overflow menu. And that's it. A lot of tips and hints on the Sprout reports at your fingertips. I hope you found this short walkthrough helpful. Thanks so much for tuning in today, and we'll see you again next time.